Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're passionate about all things in the cloud, Docker, DevOps, Kubernetes, and more, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of Terraform and we'll be unraveling the concept of a Terraform state file and how to secure and manage it on Amazon Web Services, or AWS. First things first, what is a Terraform state file? So, when you use Terraform to build and configure your infrastructure, it keeps track of all these resources with something called a state file. In simpler terms, it's kind of like a map, guiding Terraform to know what it has created, modified, or destroyed. By referencing this state file, Terraform knows which parts of your infrastructure to update without changing anything else. Now that we have the basics of what a Terraform state file is, let's move on to the next big question. How do you secure a Terraform state file on AWS? The state file contains important and sensitive information about your infrastructure, so obviously, we don't want it falling into the wrong hands. There are several ways to secure your state file in AWS. One method is to store it remotely using AWS S3 buckets. S3 is a reliable storage option in AWS where you can store your state file securely. You can enable versioning to keep track of all file versions and ensure encryption is turned on for enhanced security. A second option for added security is using AWS KMS, or Key Management Service. This service provides further encryption safeguards for your stored state file. Remember, it's always a good idea to restrict access to your S3 bucket and KMS to only those who absolutely need it. And that brings us to our final point today. So how do you manage a Terraform state file on AWS? A great way to manage your state file is by using the Terraform locking feature. This feature prevents any simultaneous modifications that could potentially corrupt your state file. Also, consider using Terraform workspaces. Workspaces allow you to maintain separate state files for different environments, like development, staging, and production, which can make managing your projects a whole lot easier. And that's the basics of Terraform state files, what they are, how to secure them, and how to manage them on AWS. We've only scratched the surface today, so stay tuned for more deep dives into these topics. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech content. If you have questions, drop them in the comment section below, and we'll get back to you. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious. Happy coding!